Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Fifth Third Bank easy access step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the official Fifth Third Bank website URL. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, look for the login button. You can find this button typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting different login options. Select the option that corresponds to your needs, such as personal banking. You will be directed to a new login page. Here, you'll see fields prompting you for your user ID and password. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Next, type your password in the accompanying box. Make sure you enter both pieces of information carefully. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, click on the Forgot User ID or Password link. This will guide you through the steps to recover your account information. Once you have entered your credentials, double-check for any typos. When you are ready, click the Login button to proceed. If your information is correct, you will be taken to your account dashboard. If you encounter any errors, review your entries and try again. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your account settings. Now you are logged in and can access all of your banking features. Enjoy your secure banking experience with Fifth Third Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.